too close. Yeah, there we go. Now I can see the feet. No, over here. Not that far back. Over here. There we go. That's good right there. Now do it. There you go. Woo! That's so cute. Who taught you that, sweetie? That's really good.
Do Michael Jackson. Do Michael Jackson.
Where's your Michael Jackson? Is that Michael Jackson? Oh!
Do it again.
You are so cute. How old are you? 4 years old. All right. That's a good Michael Jackson. Don't teach that to Aaron.